Guys, this is part 2 of the Birds of Prey statue. I gotta say, forgot to mention, don't mind me, mumbling, because I'm in the basement. Don't want to wake anyone up. But this piece has a lot in it. This has over like, almost 20 pieces in all one little box. This is a awesome gadget. I always wanted a Birds of Prey statue so bad. Thinking about ordering it. And, oh, there you have it, guys. No Good People has all the hands, different hand motions you can snap on, the roller skates, hammer the head. Oh, look how realistic to it. It's so fucking real. Oh man, I'm very thankful. But please subscribe, guys. Thank you.